Coach Nato again. Good morning. So I teach you a simple tips again. So lagi lang kayong nakatutok sa aking mga vlog. So tuturo ko naman po sa inyo how to moves naman. Relax, moves, yan po ang tuturo ko with kick. Okay? So papakita ko ang tamang mag-relax. So ang position nyo lang is streamline lagi. Lagi hong very important po, naka taas lang po yung arms mo, and your hands like position like this. This 12 o'clock, then your shoulder must be closer to your ears, always like that. Okay, so parang nag-stretch lang po kayo nyan. So papakita ko how to move and with the kick. Very short tips. Okay, position like this. Ready and go. Again, going back. Yo. So na-relax kayo. So nag-move in na kayo. Moving swimming na kayo. So yun lang po ang mga tips ko. So keep follow and then always relax once you swim. Good exercise. Bye.